Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to explain Java compiler and interpreter. Means what? How compiler and interpreter work together. So Java uses both compiler and interpreter. Java compiler is a software that converts source code. Means what? The program written by us. Okay, जो प्रोग्राम हम लिखते हैं that is called what? Source code into binary form called bytecode. Okay, so compiler converts source code into bytecode, and then Java interpreter accepts bytecode as input and converts into machine language. This is the working of the compiler and interpreter. You can see this diagram. First, source code written by the program written by us, that will go to the compiler. Okay, and then compiler will convert in a binary code, and then binary code will go to the interpreter. An interpreter will convert in a machine code. This is the working of the compiler and interpreter, okay, together. So now next topic is what? Next topic is JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So JVM, JVM means what? It works like a machine. That's why it is called virtual machine. Okay. So you know this, compiler converts source code into bytecode, and Java interpreter accepts bytecode as input and converts into binary and machine level language. So Java interpreter is also called JVM. So you can see here, this is a virtual machine. Okay. So now next one is what? JDK. Its full form is Java Development Kit. It is what? It is a software. Okay. It is a software used to execute Java programs. Suppose you want to execute Java programs, so first of all you will install JDK software. Okay. So now next one is what? Package. Package is what? Collection of various classes. Packages means what? एक package में बहुत सारी classes होती हैं, तो it is a collection of various classes. A package, this one is not wrong, package is included in programming using import keyword. If any package you want to use in a program, so then you will write here import keyword. With the help of import keyword, any packages can access, can use. Okay. Next one, name of the some packages, some examples of the packages. So you can see here, first one is java.lang, second one java.io, third is java.applet, fourth is you can see here java.io, java.awt, what is written here, you can see java.net. This one is what? Java.net. Okay. So now come on the next page. Types of Java programs. There are two types of the Java programs. Application Java programs, second one is the applet Java programs. So the programs which one we write, that is called application programs. Okay. The program which one is written for the internet, that is called applet. So now come on the next topic, next heading. This is called keyword. Keywords are reserved words. Please pay attention. Keywords are what? Reserved words. They are which conveys special meaning. Which conveys special meaning to the Java compiler. Means what? Suppose you are writing int. Suppose you are writing int in program. Int you are writing in a program. Look here, this int. So my dear, compiler can easily understand what is the meaning of this one. Automatically it can understand. Compiler can automatically understand if you have written int, so this is integer. Okay. So that's why some keywords are given in a Java, okay, that convey the special meaning to the compiler. So be careful this one. Void. Void is what? It is a keyword. Okay. It tells that function will not return any value. So here you learn in a function topic, I will explain this one again. Here you learn कि it is a keyword. It tells that function will not return any value. So here you learn. So now next chapter is what? New chapter. What is the name of this one? Values and data types. Okay, open your copy and read with this video. In this chapter, what is given? Character set. Character set is what? There are different character sets. These are explained as letters or digits or operators. So my dear, please, characters are what? It is a schemes, or in this one is what is explained. Yeah, what is given in the character sets? Letters, digits and operators. Okay, so there are two character sets given in your syllabus, ASCII and Unicode. Okay, so what is the meaning of ASCII? Its full form is what? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. In this set, each character is assigned a specific ASCII code. My dear, ध्यान दो. Each character of the computer has a fixed code. That code is called ASCII code. For example, A has, what is the ASCII code of the capital A? 65. What is the ASCII code of the B? 66. Okay, so same thing here for the small letters. Small letter A ASCII value of small a 97. So same thing here, A to Z. What is the ASCII value of the capital J? 90. What is the ASCII value of small z? 122. So next one means Unicode I will tell tomorrow. So be careful. God bless you.